Hello everyone, welcome to Navika's Kitchen again. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious and healthy recipe, that is veg coconut curry. This curry is very famous in southern part of India. Basically in Kerala it is very famous. So let's get started. We'll see the ingredients first. Here I have taken 3 to 4 cloves and 3 to 4 black peppercorns, 2 green cardamom, 1 inch piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon each of cumin seeds and fennel seeds, 2 whole dry red chilies, 1 can of coconut milk. It is approximately 250 ml. If you want you can buy it from the market or you can make it at home. I have taken the market one. 3 to 4 tablespoons of tamarind water. For making tamarind water, soak coin-sized tamarind into some hot water and then squeeze it. Here we need some roughly chopped veggies. I have taken half a cup each of green bell pepper, carrot, yellow bell pepper, cauliflower, 2 to 3 medium-sized potatoes cut into small pieces, 2 medium-sized onions, red bell pepper and 2 to 3 tomatoes. Let's see what else we need. I have taken 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, green chili and garlic. You can take the paste as well. 10 to 15 cashews I am taking here. If you want you can add peanuts in place of cashews also. 1 small cup of green peas. I have taken the frozen one. Now after seeing all the ingredients, we'll start making our curry. We need to boil all the veggies first. Here I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water into a pressure cooker so that our veggies will not burn while boiling. Now add all the veggies one by one. Green peas, carrots, bell pepper, cauliflower. If you want you can add some other veggies also like green beans, yellow corn, broccoli as well. It completely depends on your taste what type of veggies you like in your curry. After adding all the veggies, I am adding half a teaspoon of salt into it. Now cover the lid and let it steam for 2 to 3 whistles. In the meantime, we'll saute all our remaining ingredients. In a pan, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil gets heated up, we'll add all the whole spices into it. The cloves, the green cardamom, the cinnamon and the red chilies. Now saute it for 1 minute. Heat should be medium-low. Now add the chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. Saute it for 1 minute as well. It's time to add the onions into it. We'll saute the onions till they become translucent. Now it's time to add the chopped tomatoes. Mix it well and saute it for another 1 or 2 minutes. At last add the cashews and give it a nice mix. Stir them for 1 or 2 minutes. Now switch off the gas flame and let the mixture cool for 10 minutes. After cooling, we'll put it in a blender jar and make a fine paste out of it. In the same pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil gets heated up, we'll add the cumin seeds and the fennel seeds. Stir them and let them crackle. Now I'm adding 10 to 12 curry leaves into it. Curry leaves give a nice flavor and aroma to our coconut curry. Fry them. Now add the paste which we have already prepared. Stir the paste continuously so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. We need to stir it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the boiled vegetables. Give it a nice mix Then add the tamarind water. We are using tamarind water here because tamarind water balances the sweetness of the coconut milk, and also it gives a nice tangy flavor to our coconut curry. Now add the coconut milk into it. Coconut milk is very healthy. It contains a lot of vitamins and minerals, and it also helps you in maintaining your weight. Just mix it together. Now add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper powder will give it a nice spicy punch. Mix it nicely and then bring it to a boil. Our coconut curry is ready. Switch off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. Drizzle some of the coconut milk before serving. It will give a nice look to the curry. Enjoy it with the steamed rice, chapati or paratha. Please friends, try this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do share it with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll come back in a new video with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.